do is just close your eyes and just get a little comfy, get a little vulnerable, and just be ready to just open yourself up. So I want you to just take in some deep breaths. You can either do a little yogic breath just through your nose or breathe out your mouth, whatever is comfortable for you. I'm just a nose breather. So take a few deep breaths. Drop your shoulders. Try and get your spine in alignment. Relax your jaw. Focus and give yourself a little check-in on any points within your body, maybe holding some of today's stress, some of today's worry, some of the world's aches, and just slowly tell them we don't need them right now. The only thing you do is expect yourself to be right here, right now. You have nowhere else to go, nothing else to do except to breathe and be present with yourself. Now, I want you to take your hands, and if you want, you can rub them together a little bit just to get the energy going, because we all do harness that deep energy within ourselves. And this is kind of how Reiki works, as you start feeling that energy and start rubbing them together with the intention of letting your energy flow. And whenever you feel ready, put them both on top of your heart center and continue to take a few deep breaths. Now I'd like you to think to yourself, I am love. I am deserving of love. I have an abundance of love. And I want you to start seeing your energy start to come out from your heart, resonating a couple feet in front of you, going a little bit further, spreading that light and love from your heart, starting to spread about 5 feet out, and soon spreading your energy to fill up the whole room. And knowing that you created this space of calm, loving, secure energy of you. This is you. You are love. Now, I want you to start setting the intention that you are open and ready to receive any messages that are for you. And if you feel comfortable, you can ask your spirit team, your past loved ones, your spirit guides, your angels to come forward and to come a little closer to you. So close that you can hear what they need to communicate to you. I want you to take a minute and just sit and bask in your own love and energy. To see and honor all that you are. And when you're ready, I want you to open your eyes and grab your journal. And what you can either do, I'm just going to give you a couple minutes to open up to the page. I like to date it. And you can either just write what comes to you or begin to think What am I ready to bring into my experience? Think of exactly what you would like to have in your life. For example, I will effortlessly create a loving environment for my family to thrive in. Maybe you want to direct your focus on what energy will I embody this month? How would you like to feel this month? Again, be as specific as possible. Example, I am calm and collected in every situation along my path. Continuing to write and just focus on what you are ready to open up to.